Although I couldn't record our daily video last Friday, what Tesla is doing right now is not surprising at all, at least to us over here. Technically speaking, we see Tesla correcting to a previous support level, that purple line over here, which we talked a lot about last week, and now we have earnings report in 2 days. So let's see what to expect from Tesla shares in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis looking at the S&P index. Because what Tesla is doing right now is mostly justified by what the broad market is also doing. And right now, if you ask my humble opinion, the S&P is trying very hard to reverse the bearish sentiment, because since September over here, which is statistically speaking the most problematic month for stocks over here, we have been dropping. We have been in a bear trend. Since September, we see nothing but lower highs, lower lows. Right now, SPY is trying to make higher highs, higher lows. We don't see clear higher highs, higher lows yet, but it seems that we are trying to do that right now at this moment. So if we do, great. Probably we are going to reverse the mid-term trend, and then other stocks like Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia will also engage in a bullish momentum as well. QQQ is a little bit more bullish than SPY, because if you ask my humble opinion, since we hit this support level over here, $354, this red line, this seems, it appears to me that QQQ made a double bottom chart pattern, or at least a multiple bottom chart pattern over here above this support level. It does not matter what kind of pattern it made over here. It did find a support level at this red line, and right now we are reacting. We are going up, trying to retest our next support level at $377. Of course, we are making a short-term pullback right now, but QQQ is also trying to react above its support level, which is the 21 EMA, the 21 exponential moving average on the daily chart over here. This suggests that yes, the bullish thesis over here on Tesla might be valid. Of course, we see a bullish reaction right above this support level over here. This is a bullish signal. This is a good signal. However, we don't see a meaningful confirmation yet, because guys, we gotta wait for confirmation, because just like here, September 25, Tesla also did a bottom signal, a crystal clear hammer candlestick pattern just above, retesting the $240, and then it failed in triggering this bullish signal. So this is why I always tell you guys, we gotta wait for confirmation, because we don't know if this is a real signal or not. Of course, it is quite promising to see Tesla reacting above its support level. This is promising indeed, but we could see a false signal. We still could see a false signal, just like we saw a false signal over here, just like we saw another false signal over here, just like we saw another false signal over here, right? And over here as well, and over here. So see, always wait for confirmation. Maybe we are gonna go up, maybe not. We have earnings in 2 days, and we're gonna talk about that in this video. But keep in mind that as long as Tesla stays above this purple trend line over here, the short-term bullish bias will remain intact. And what's even more important, you gotta subscribe to this channel, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, and the other stocks as well. So just subscribe to this channel, daily analysis over here. And click the like button as well to support this channel. Now, back to Tesla. Yes, we are trying to react above a support level. This is very good. Nathan, what if Tesla loses this purple line over here? Then the bullish bias, the short-term bullish bias, will be frustrated. Will Tesla engage a bearish momentum? No. I'm saying that the bull trend, the uptrend, will be frustrated. That's different. If we see Tesla losing the support level, I see Tesla retesting the $240 again. And this is $240. This is the most important support level mid-term speaking, because by losing the 240, Tesla is going to materialize the bullish nightmare over here. I see many people concerned about the possibility of a head and shoulders chart pattern. I'm not taking this possibility that seriously, honestly, because again, as long as we stay above our mid-term support levels, Tesla will just maintain the bullish bias over here. So that's totally fine. This pullback over here is not scary at all. In fact, it might be just another buying opportunity because the bullish bias is still valid. Any bullish thesis, considering how SPY is reacting, considering how QQQ is reacting, considering how even the Dow Jones is reacting, it is just flying, breaking its resistance levels. If we take a look at other stocks over here, Apple reacting above a support level, Microsoft, it is breaking the previous resistance, Google is clearly in a bull trend already, Amazon is also trying to react above the 21 EMA on the daily chart over here. Berkshire Hathaway, one of the most boring stocks ever, is on the verge of triggering a bullish pivot point, and this scenario could materialize if we see the broad market also reversing. Nvidia, look at Nvidia right here, right now, making a very good reaction right above the 21 EMA, right above the previous top level over here. So we see many interesting signals on the broad market as well. So if Tesla confirms a bottom level over here, even considering that we see earnings in 2 days, I always told you guys that in my humble opinion, earnings usually they just enhance the previous movement. If the trend is already bullish, there is a decent chance that the market will just explode upwards. Oh, Nathan, but right here on July 19, July 20 over here, we see that Tesla crashed after earnings, right? Guys, this is not Tesla, okay? It is because the broad market find a top level as well. See, July 19, this candle over here, July 19, memorize this chart over here. Take a look at QQQ. This candle is from July 19, so many people overestimate earnings over here. Tesla will always follow the broad market in the end. Earnings only bring short-term volatility, all right? We see that QQQ topped over here just like Tesla, and then you may say, oh, but Nathan, this is because Tesla tanked the entire stock market. Well, you know that Tesla represents only 3% of the Nasdaq Composite Index. If we were talking about Apple, which is 12%, or Microsoft, 11%, then I would take these theses more seriously. But we are talking about Tesla, which does not represent that much. So yes, Tesla will always follow the broad market in the end. Although we might see short-term volatility, Tesla only crashed after earnings over here because the broad market also crashed. Tesla crashed roughly 10% over here, but the rest of the 30%, it was because of the broad market, okay? That's because Tesla crashed from $300 to $211 over here, all right? So, of course, earnings is very important. I'm not saying that it isn't. It is. But for 1 day or two, if we see Tesla crashing, if we see Tesla approaching its support levels over here, while the broad market is still maintaining its bullish bias, I believe that would be just another incredible opportunity to buy Tesla at a much cheaper level. Nathan, what if Tesla explodes upwards over here? That's okay, because in fact, that's expected, because Tesla is already in a bull trend over here. So regardless of what happens, either way, we should pay attention to the support level, the purple trend line, to the $240, and to the next resistance level, $278, $79 over here. And if you want to trade with me, consider joining our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen. We nailed it. Recently, we nailed many amazing trades. So come on, don't waste any more time. Just join us over there. Now, I highly appreciate your support, my dear friends. Remember to subscribe to this channel. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye bye.